Dear student, today I sent you question answer civics lesson 2 fundamental rights. First question, what are fundamental rights? Fundamental rights are essential for the growth and development of personality of citizens of a country. Second है, which right was removed from the list of fundamental rights? Property rights. The property rights was removed from the list of fundamental rights. Describe the 6 types of freedom guaranteed by Constitution. There are 6 types of freedom guaranteed by the Constitution. Those are as following: freedom of speech and expression. Second, freedom to assemble peaceful and without arm. Third है freedom from association and unions. Freedom to reside or settle in any part of India. Fifth है freedom to move freely throughout the territory of India. Sixth है freedom to practice and profession and carry on any occupation, trade or business. What is the meant by the right to constitutional remedies? The right to constitutional remedies enable to citizens to move the courts if any his right is violated. What were the fundamental duties added to the Constitution? There are 10 fundamental duties added to the Constitutional, but now there are 11 fundamental duties added to Constitution. Describe the importance of duties. Importance of duties. Rights and duties go hand in hand. A democratic system cannot be successful unless there is balance between the right and duties of citizens. The government is the custodian of the rights of the citizen. On the other hand, the citizen must perform their duty. That is, without duties we can get the fundamental rights. Second, explain the fundamental rights against exploitation. Right against exploitation कहते हैं poverty the cause of exploitation of a large section of societies. In rural areas, many people borrows money from money lender at very high rates of interest as and when they are unable to pay back the money, they are forced to work from the money lender with almost no wages. This is called beggar or bonded labor. Similarly, women and children are also exploited. Poor children are employed in the large number in many risky industries like fireworks, estate, slate making, safety match, mines, etc. They work in extremely unhygienic condition at very poor wages and for the long hours. The Constitution protects all such exploitation section by prohibiting in beggar, child labor, trafficking in women, etc. Give assessment of fundamental duties. Fundamental duties there are as following. मेन हैं आपके 4 लिखाएं ओनली. The citizens of India should respect the Constitution, its ideals and institutions, the national flag. The people second cherish and follow the noble ideals which inspired our national struggle for freedom. All citizens must uphold and protect the sovereignty, unity, and integrity of India. Fourth, as citizens are expected to depend on the country and render national service at the time of need. Thank you.